Ooh, what's that? Can you guess what today is? Someone's not excited about it. All right, let's take a look at our first item. It's going to be a riding jersey. Fox riding jersey. It was 80 bucks and got marked down to 25 bucks. So that was a great deal. Next one is a Thor riding jersey. I think both of these were closeouts on the website. I think this was maybe 17 bucks. And today's is, let's open it up. Let's open it up. I think you already know what it is by the size of the box. All right. What the heck what are all these knots? You ready? Look at that. This is a Liat 8.5 adventure helmet. Oh, looks good. Let's peel this off for you. So these come in two versions, the 8.5 and the 9.5. The 9.5 obviously being the upgraded version, that is the carbon fiber. Let's try it on. Normally I wear XX in all helmets, except for Shoei, I wear extra large. So let's see if this fits. This is a XX. Fit is good. Yeah, it fits real good. True to size. That's the lowest detent right there, if you can see it. 2, 3, and then the final one up top. Feels good. Padding's all nice and soft, man. Padding's really good. Some people, I saw some reviews and people were complaining about the padding, but the padding feels real good. I don't know what they're talking about. Last thing I'm gonna test on this is the noise test on the road at highway speeds. Well, so far it looks good. And I'll be doing a review on this helmet. It's not too heavy, it's pretty light. It's got the MIPS. I know the visor comes on and off. I guess there's some buttons and you can just pop them off. This little clip right here holds the, I don't know how good that's gonna work out, but we'll test it out and I'll let you know. Got the mouth air vent. If you can see, are 2 air vents for your head. They're a little sticky, but I think you just gotta break them in. 4 exhaust vents in the back. See what else comes in the box. All right, you saw the bag? They gave you extra pieces for the shield. The little tab that holds the shield in place. And I guess if you want to take the shield off, they gave you covers. Also comes with spare rubber washers. So everything in this bag was for the face shield. Reflection stickers, I guess for safety. The manual, I don't ever read it. Oh, comes with a pin lock. Spare shield. The one that comes on the helmet's photochromatic, so it turns dark in the sun, and this is the clear shield. So I won't be needing that. Came with a pair of Liat goggles. These are good goggles. All she does is sleep all day. Cheers. I'm the Vegas Ranger. If you like what you're watching, please consider liking and subscribing. We'll see you on the next video.